Hi, hello my dear children. In this session, we are going to continue the same exercise 4.2, sum number 3. Okay, and the first and second sums. The first sum, we have done we have eliminated the variable with addition or subtraction. In the second sum, we have eliminated the variable with what? With what operation? Multiplication and division. Now in the third one, here both operations, multiplication and addition, or multiplication and subtraction. Division and addition, or division and subtraction, both are given. So two steps you have to do. In the previous two sums, only one step they did. Here two steps. Okay. So what is the given equation here? 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. Okay. So what are the constants in the left hand side? 3 and 2. We have to eliminate 3 and 2. So among the two numbers, which constant you will eliminate first? Which step you will do first? Here to eliminate 2, we have to do the opposite. It is minus, so you have to add. It is subtraction, so we have to add 2. And here it is multiplication, so we have to divide. So which operation you will do first? Either addition or multiplication. Always you should do the addition and subtraction first, then only you have to move to the multiplication or division. Okay, so then only it will be very easy for us to do. Otherwise, it will be a very complicated one. Okay, so what should you do? What here you have to eliminate 2 first. For that, step 1. What is the step 1? Here it is subtracted, so what should you do? You have to add 2 to both sides. So what do you get? 3n minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 46 plus 2. So 2 and 2 gets 2 minus 2, 0. So it is what? 3n is equal to 48. Now step 2. What should you do? You have to eliminate 3. 3n is 3 into n. So the opposite is what? Divide. Both sides by what number? 3. Okay. So 3n divided by 3 is equal to 48 divided by 3. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. And 3 goes how many times in 48? 16 times. So n is equal to 16. Okay children? So instead of doing this, suppose you first divide. So what will happen? 3n minus 2 by 3 is equal to 46 by 3. Okay, so it's not possible to divide 3n minus 2 by 3. That is, you can do the operation, but it will be very complicated. Okay, so instead of doing this, you have to do first what step? Either you have to do addition or subtraction. Then only you have to do the multiplication and division. Okay, if you want, you can check the answer. That is 3 in LHS. 3n is what? 3 into 16 minus 2. 48 minus 2 is equal to 46. So, which is equal to RHS. Now, sum number 2. Here, what should we eliminate first? What are the numbers? 7 and 5. 7 is connected with addition operation. 5 is connected with m by multiplication. So, first step is what? Subtract. 7 from both sides. So what do you get? 5m plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 17 minus 7. So 7 gets cancelled. So what do you get? 5m is equal to 10. Now step 2. Here is multiplication. So the opposite is what? Divide. By what number? You got to eliminate 5. So divide by 5. Divide both sides by 5. So what do you get? 5m divided by 5 is equal to 10 by 5. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled, is equal to 2. So m is equal to 2. So the answer is m is equal to 2. Now sum number C. $20p by 3 is equal to 40. So here we have multiplication and division. So what should you do first? First you eliminate the denominator. Then we will eliminate this 20. Okay. So it will be easy to do that. Division first, then multiplication. So for this, what should you do? To eliminate 3, what? You have to multiply both sides by. Okay. Then only it will be in the first step itself. This 3 will be eliminated. So what you get? 20p by 3 into 3 is equal to 40 into 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Now what do you have? 20p is equal to 40 into 3. Now next step is what? You have to eliminate this 20. So here multiplication. So the opposite is what? Divide. Both sides by what number? 20. So 20p divided by 20 is equal to 40 into 3 divided by 20. So 20 will get cancelled. And here 22s are 40. So 2 3s are 6. So P is equal to 6. So the answer is P is equal to 6. Now sum number D. $3p by 10 is equal to 6. The same model, isn't it? So first, what is the first step? 1, what should you do? Multiply. First 10 should be eliminated, then 3. Multiply both sides by what number? 10. Okay. So 3p by 10 into 10 is equal to 6 into 10. 10 and 10 cancelled. So you get 3p is equal to 6 into 10. Now next, you have to eliminate what here? 3. So you have to divide. The opposite is 3p is 3 into p. So opposite is divide both sides by what number? 3. So 3p by 3 is equal to 6 into 10 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. 3 goes 2 times. So the answer is 20. So answer P is equal to 20. So here in this question we have done two operations to eliminate the constant from the left hand side, to separate the variables from the constant. Okay, I think you might have understood. Take care of your health, children. Stay home. God bless you all.